Good morning, student. This is my third video lecture. This is my third video lecture. Continuation with second lecture. Okay. Here we can solve one more problem based on normal vector. So first note that angle between two surfaces equals to angle between their tangent planes equals to and the angle between normal vector, these are the same term. Okay, tangent plane, normal vector or two surfaces, these are the same term. Okay, so third question is find angle between tangent planes two surfaces x log z equals to y square minus 1 and x square y equals to 2 minus z at point 1 1 1, means x y z is 1. So given surfaces are, consider this is the first surface and this is the second surface. So first surface is phi 1, convert it into phi. Okay, I already told you we are given that phi of xyz equals to c and we have to convert it into phi, means scalar point function. So phi 2 is x square y plus z minus 2 equals to 0. We know the formula of normal vector, 2 point surface. We are given the two surfaces. We are given the two surfaces. So we calculate the normal vector for first surface. Consider it n1 bar. N1 bar equals to del phi 1. So n1 bar equals to, right, del means I bar del by del x plus j bar del by del y plus k bar del by del z. And first surface is x log z minus y square plus 1. So differentiate this point function with respect to x, y, z. Okay, so I, as it is derivative of this point function with respect to x, so here this term is 0. Okay, this term is 0 and the derivative of x log z is, with respect to x, derivative of x is 1 and log z is constant, so log z I. Second, with respect to y, differentiate this with respect to y, so this term is 0, this term is 0 and derivative of minus y square with respect to y is minus 2y. And last, derivative with respect to z, so this term is 0 and the derivative of x log z with respect to z is x by z. So n1 bar is log z I bar minus 2y j bar plus x by z k bar. Okay, then calculate n1 at point 1 1 1. Put x equals to 1, y equals to 1 and z equals to 1 in above equation, in this equation. So n1 bar equals to log 1 I bar minus 2 into 1 j bar plus 1 by 1 k bar. So log 1 is 0, so n1 bar is 0i minus 2j plus k bar. The final value of n1 bar is minus 2j plus k because I is 0. Say this is the equation number 1. Now calculate second normal vector, 2 point surface phi 2, that means n2 bar equals to del phi 2 because we are calculating normal vector for second point surface, so we can write it as n2 bar. Second normal vector is n2 bar. Okay, so n2 bar equals to del phi 2, so you know very well how to calculate the normal vector. Okay, repeat this procedure and put the point same 1 1 1, and finally we got the value of n2 bar, means second normal vector is n2 bar equals to 2i plus j plus k bar. Now here we have to find the angle between two normal vector n1 bar and n2 bar. So we know the formula of angle formula is cos theta equals to a1 a bar dot b bar upon mod of a bar into mod of b bar. This is the general formula of angle formula. Okay, so angle between two normal vector n1 bar and n2 bar is cos theta n1 bar dot n2 bar upon mod of n1 bar n2 bar. Put the value of n1 bar, put the value of n2 bar, take dot product. Okay, and in denominator write magnitude of n1 bar and magnitude of n2 bar. In my first lecture we have read about this, how to calculate magnitude. Okay, magnitude of vector, so apply that procedure. So simplify it. Finally we got cos theta equals to minus 1 upon root 30. Okay, so cos theta equals to minus 1 upon root 30, so change position of cos theta, so we get the value of theta equals to cos inverse minus 1 upon root 30, and put this value in calculator. You will find the value of theta equals to 100.519, and the sign of angle is degree, so put here degree notation. Okay, so this is the procedure to find the angle between two normal vector. Now fourth question is find angle between surfaces x square plus y square plus z square equals to 9 and z equals to x square plus y square minus 3 at point 2 minus 1 2. So you know the procedure how to calculate the angle. Write these two surfaces in point function form, then apply formula, calculate n1 bar, take differentiation, calculate n1 bar, put 0.2 minus 1 2 at this vector. Finally we find first normal vector n1 bar equals to 4i minus 2j plus 4k. Then repeat this same procedure for second normal vector. Okay, put the point in n2 bar. Finally we get the value of n2 bar equals to 4i minus 2j minus k. Next find angle between these two normal vector. Formula is cos theta equals to n1 bar dot n2 bar upon mod of n1 bar mod of n2 bar. Apply same procedure and solve. The answer of this question is 54.414 degree. Next question, find value of m and n so that surfaces mx square minus 2 and yz equals to m plus 4x will be orthogonal perpendicular to surfaces 4x square y plus z cube equals to 4 at point 1 minus 1 2. In this question we have to find the value of m and n. we are given that two surfaces. Okay, first surface is m x square minus 2 and y z equals to m plus 4x, and second surface is 4x square y plus z cube minus 4. So write into this form, point function form. Okay, this surface is into point function form like this. Then calculate first normal vector, put point in that normal vector and calculate this normal vector at point 1 minus 1 2. Okay, so the value of first normal vector is m minus 4i minus 4nj plus twice n k. We can say this is equation number 1. Next, again find the second normal vector n2 bar, apply same procedure, put point after taking derivative, put point, and by putting point, after putting point, we will get the second normal vector n2 bar, that means minus 8i bar plus 4j bar plus 12k bar. Okay, we can say this is equation number 2. Now we are given that these two surfaces will be orthogonal, means this first surface is orthogonal to second surface. That means the dot product of these two normal vector should be 0, है ना. So given condition is the dot product of these two normal vector is 0. That is the condition of orthogonality. So consider n1 dot n2 bar equals to 0. Put the value of n1 bar dot product and n2 bar equals to 0. Take dot product. Now what is the dot product? I dot I multiply coefficient of I plus multiply coefficient of j dot j plus multiply coefficient of k dot k equals to 0. Simplify it. What we get? Minus 8m plus 32 minus 16n plus 24n. So take 8 common, shift after taking 8 common and shifting it into right side. Finally we get the first equation, minus m plus n plus 4 equals to 0. This is equation number 3. Now to find another equation, we put point 1 minus 1 2 in first surface. That means first surface phi 1. So put 1, x is 1, y is minus 1 and z equals to 2 in first equation. So phi 1. By putting this value, we get, after solving or after simplifying this equation, we get the value of n equals to 1. Okay. Now put n equals to 1 in equation number 3. Put n equals to 1 in equation number 3. So minus m plus 1 plus 4 equals to 0. So minus m. Okay, put n equals to 1 in equation number 3. We get minus m plus 1 plus 4 equals to 0. That means minus m equals to minus 5. So minus minus cancel, m equals to 5. So the value of m is equals to 5 and n equals to 1. Okay, what we have to do in that question? First calculate two normal vector, then apply the condition of orthogonality, means take dot product equals to 0. Then for second point, put first point in first normal first surface. By putting this point in first surface, we will get the value of 1 and put this value of 1 in equation number 3. So after putting this n equals to 1, finally we get the value of m. Okay, So this is the equation, this is the question number 6, same as to question number 5. Okay, same as to question number 5. So you can solve it, and if any problem, so tell me about that problem, I will solve. Thank you.